There goes y'all. Alright, look, y'all. I just found the best thing in the world. No doubt about it. I found out how you can cam your truck for free, you know what I mean? You might be driving around with a little or whatever you're thinking, you know what I mean? You'll be sitting there just idling, and like you're like, dang, I wish my truck was sitting there whop, 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 whop. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show y'all how to do it for free. Alright, y'all, now to know how to do this, all you want to do, hop in your stinking truck, alright? Start that bad boy up. Alright, see how it sounds now? Now, all you gotta do, make sure you put that bad boy on. Make sure you connect it to it. Sit in the Walmart parking lot. Turn that radio all the way up. Now this is really crazy because you can even adjust how loud you want your exhaust. So that's how you can do it.